Pratap sir, we know that arbitration and insurance is not something which is which goes hand in hand very easily. I'm going to ask you a series of questions to try and help our participants understand how arbitration is used in the insurance industry and what the future of arbitration in this field looks like. So, to begin with, could you very simply explain to our participants what are the typical kind of disputes that come up before your foundation in terms of trying to settle the matter through arbitration?
Right. Thank you, Gokul. So, typically disputes are between the insured and the insurer and arise when the insured's claim, which the insured believes is covered under the policy, is rejected either in part or in full by the insurer. So there can also be a disagreement between the insured and the insurer with respect to the scope of the insuring clauses or the extensions or the applicability of exclusions or compliance with the policy terms and conditions and the quantum payable under the policy if liability is admitted.
Okay, so to give an example, I could have an insurance policy with respect to a life insurance policy in which I am claiming through somebody else, and the person who was insured has passed away, and I'm the person who is the nominee in the life insurance policy. The life insurance gets rejected for X reason. Let's not go into the nitty-gritties of the reason. This kind of a situation where the policy has been rejected, outright rejected, can that come up for arbitration?
So I must tell you, Gokul, as far as the insurance sector is concerned, many policies do not have an arbitration clause. And the policies which do have or do contain the arbitration clause, the clause is a little peculiar. It says if the claim is not rejected in toto, and the dispute is only on quantum, then it can be referred to arbitration. So, for example, in life insurance policies, there are no arbitration clauses. So there's no question of that is the problem with the arbitration clause as far as insurance is concerned. It simply does not exist in a majority of policies.
And therefore, in such cases, sir, even if I want to initiate an arbitration proceeding, it can't be done since it's a voluntary process and the insurance company doesn't come up for arbitration. It can't be done.
Absolutely. Absolutely, you're absolutely correct.
What would be typically the kind of cases in which insurance does allow arbitration in your experience, sir?
Yes. So, for example, supposing it's a fire policy.
Okay.
And in the fire policy, you will find on many occasions that there is an arbitration clause. There is an arbitration clause, and that would again say if the claim is not rejected, then and there is a dispute on quantum, then that would be referred to arbitration.